welcome to another I Spider Garage, and today it's going to be a fun day. We are going to start with getting some gas for both Frankie and Morticia, and then I don't know, it's just going to be a fun day. So boom. What was going on at that gas station, but I couldn't get the pump to work. We did actually make a new friend over there, which was cool. But we're at our second gas station, so I don't know, suppose it's how it goes sometimes. Actually, we're right across the street over there. But this one's working. Paying $4.19 a gallon. What are you guys paying? We're gonna get some petrol for Morticia too, just in case, because I really don't know how much is in there. Man, that gas price is adding up. $4 a gallon. Woo! I miss when it was $2 a gallon or $1 a gallon. All right. Let's go, maybe we'll say hi to Jack. Oh, it's a busy Saturday. I want to cut right through the middle. I wonder if this guy's gonna let me go. Nope, he's not. But these guys are doing it wrong because there's a light, or not a light, but an exit over by the Jack in Box over here. So I always shoot down here because then you can shoot right out without having to do a U-turn. So there you go. Boom. It was pretty cool. We actually had 2 people compliment Frankie. So that was always fun. You know, people love these trucks for good reason, because they're awesome. So boom. Well, this is going to be fun. We stopped by Jack's and look, he let us borrow his pressure washer. So let's take Morticia out and really clean her up. And probably a little bit with Frankie too, but I think Morticia could go for a little pressure wash. Let's get Morticia out of here. We'll probably back her up to right about here. And we'll start pressure washing away, baby. All right, so we got Morticia out and in a really good spot. We're gonna degrease and pressure wash the engine bay and just get everything really clean now that Jack let us borrow the pressure washer. So boom. So Shiloh's gonna help me. We got some instructions on our pressure washer thanks to Mr. Jack Pieknik. Check oil and gas, we did that. Connect the units, connect the water, point. Pretty straightforward. All right, well, let's get going. You ready, Shy? Are you excited to clean Morticia up? I'm excited. I think it's gonna help a lot. Well, check this out. So we're looking way better. I do have one piece of bad news. I'm really not happy about. This Dodge emblem came off. Really kind of bummed about that, to be honest with you. It really kind of sucks. But I'm just going to move on because there's nothing I can do about it, unfortunately. But we did pressure wash the engine bay, and look at that. I mean, it's a whole different color. I love it. It's not perfect, but we got a lot of the stuff out of there. I'm happy with it. I mean, we may hit it again another time, but got most of the dirt and grime off. And that's really what I wanted to do. Spray it all in here and here to get all that stuff out of there too. And now we're gonna wash the outside, but look at that. Didn't that turn out good? Boom, baby is right, Shy. So we are using this new Lucas Slick Mist kit today, and we're really excited because our good buddy, Mr. Quint 1836 sent us this kit. So
first we got a hot rod, then a tire, and then...
So Warden Automotive, also known as Quint 1836. Here, show us the kit, Shy. Get closer. Sent us this kit to help with detailing Mortician Frankenstein. Really awesome. It looks like we've got an interior detailer, tire shine, and some speed wax. So we'll be using this on all the cars today.
Let's unbox it.
Yeah, so huge thanks to Warden Automotive, Quint 1836, a really good buddy of mine. Please go check him out. And we're gonna keep spraying and cleaning. But look at the back. I mean, this back wall is looking way better. Looks way better, way better. Of course, I took the battery out just for safe measure, but there we go. Now let's start spraying away, Shy.
Yeah, okay, guys, let's do this. I have already.
What do you? Yeah, what do we got? Open it up, Shy. That's a nice looking kit. That's so cool at Quint 1836 Warden Automotive.
Let's say
great dude.
Let's say thank you, Quint, at the same time. One, two, three. Thank you, Quint.
1836.
1836.
Warden Automotive. He's a mechanic, so he knows the good stuff. Right, Shy?
Yeah.
Come on, open that thing faster. Come on. There we go. Look at all them bottles.
Oh, we also got free towels.
Oh, you can never not have enough of those.
Free towels.
Yeah.
I did not know this came with a free towel.
Well, they're free thanks to Quint 1836.
We also got this.
Nice. I love it. All right, let's get to work.
Boom, baby.
Boom, baby. All right, so we got the seat out, and now we're gonna pressure wash all this out. Just try and get as much clean as we can. I'll try and find a good spot for you guys to watch, but pressure wash time. I mean, look how clean this floor is. I mean, the guy before me did a great job there. I did notice one little spot, but that's no big deal. And yeah, so let's pressure wash this baby. Boom, you ready, Shy?
Yep.
So Shy is gonna spray the floor down with our Super Clean.
Thanks to Super Clean?
That's right. And that stuff works really good.
It does.
It really does.
We use these on one of our tools, and it works so well. It was so dirty that we didn't know what the color was, and it was orange.
Yeah. So let's spray it down with Super Clean. We'll get it all. It's gonna look good. Once we're all done, it's gonna look real nice. I don't know if I'm gonna spray the dash or not. I probably won't.
Look at all the grease.
Yeah, that's what we want. We want to take all this grease off. That's the idea.
Thank you, Super Clean.
Yeah, thank you, Super Clean.
We want to have this stuff.
Spraying, Shy. Come over here. You know, Shy, I'm gonna try this foaming one, because this foaming one. I'll let you try it. Hold on. Look at that.
Oh, it looks like snow.
It looks like snow. There we go.
It works so much better.
So much better. Kind of does. Yeah, this is kind of the better
Can I try?
tool for the job for sure.
Can I try?
Yeah. Hold on. I'm almost done with this side. I'll trade you. There we go. Let that sink in and soak. There you go. You can do that side. I think we'll be doing pretty good.
Oh my gosh, he makes like little circles. I'm gonna make a smiley face.
Okay.
I made a smiley face. It looks so cute. It looks like a old cheeseburger.
Yep, it sure does.
If Uncle Cheeseburger, if you're watching this, no offense.
Yep.
Oh. Look at that, I'm doing so well.
You are. You're doing great. I think we got this pretty good. I might get those top things right there.
Look at all that grease out. Look, I want you to look at that.
Yep. All right, come back. Take it over here. Do this side now. You got that pretty dang good. And we got our Jack's Wax. Thanks to our buddy Neverboard S10 Addict. That's actually what we used on the engine bay. All right.
Look over there. Look how much grease I took up.
Yeah, go spray that side. Let's see.
Smiley face. Oh, it looks so cute.
Yeah, you like the smiley face?
Yeah, I draw Matricia's lights.
Let's spray this one down too.
Look at all that. Look at that.
Would you look at that? I think we got her.
We also got this. I'm not done yet. It got to be super glittery.
Super glittery.
Super.
All right, that's good, Shy.
Oh, look at all that.
We don't need to use the whole can. We do have other projects. Let's put that back there. And yeah, we gotta do the back too.
I'll carry that. And
Yeah, grab the Bill Cameron tool that we got.
thank you, Bill Cameron.
And time lapse time, baby. this transmission cleaned up a little bit. It's pretty grimy, but maybe we can at least knock it down a little. All right, I think we got the pressure washing pretty well done. Wow, much cleaner, huh, Shy?
Yep.
So that cleaner really helped out quite a bit. And we even took a stab at cleaning some of the drivetrain. So you can see, I mean, it's far from perfect, but there's some semblance of a drivetrain now. Got some of that grease off. I tried to get more, but that was pretty much all that was wanting to come loose. And nice little trail of dirt. There we go. Pretty dang good. What do you guys think? Clean. I mean, they had done all the metal work in here, so I mean it's pretty clean in here already, but just getting all the dirt from sitting, really. So cool. I think we're in much better shape. Did miss that corner a little bit. I don't know if I'll come back in there for that or not. I might. All right, boom. Now let's put the seat back in. Morticia all cleaned up, baby. I think the only other thing, we might put some tire shine on her. Yeah, let's do that. But she's looking good. Now we're just debating if we want to take her down to Jack's or put her away and take Frankie. All right, so we are going to take Morticia down to Jack's. We actually have the pressure washer in the back here. And what do you think, Shy?
Boom, baby.
Boom, baby. See, with this business coupe, man, how cool is this? I mean, that compressor is a decent size. But we fit it in there. We got a bungee cord on the back, huh, Shy?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Yo, yard. Ready?
No, I'll tell you when. Grab the phone and get in, baby. Grab the phone.
End it.
Yep, I'll get this side. All right. Okay.
I love it.
You love it?
Guys, look at my new baking book.
Yep, I got a new baking book.
As always.
All right, here, hold this, Sean. All right. Just putting right along. We're not moving much faster than a bike, but that's okay. We already know why. There we go. What do you think, Shy?
Very focused.
Yeah. We'll get to a point where we can go a little faster, but for now, this is our speed. Negative miles an hour.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Where are you recording?
I am recording good.
All right, hop in. We made it. We made it to Jack's house. Jack, will you believe it's a different color engine? Look at this.
You watched it?
Yeah, yeah, watch this. Look at that. It's not perfect, but look, it's like now like this bluish color. Isn't that cool? I pressure washed all it. So we pressure washed this part, and then we took the seat out, and I pressure washed all this stuff too. And then even where this where that access cover is here, look how much better that. I mean, it's still horrible, but you can actually see a little bit, you know. And I on the ground, I reached under and tried to get some too, but just to help a little bit. And I had it basically on the hill, so I just was pushing everything down, you know. They did a good job with whatever this is.
Nice. And was that trunk spray or that bed liner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty happy with it. So not too bad. Oh, I brought the gas can too. Does that take regular gas or two-stroke?
You don't put no gas in it. That's okay.
I mean, I've got some in there already.
No, that's good. It don't matter.
Okay.
I don't use it that
I don't-
much. When I do, I'll get some gas. If I
Oh,
have to,
okay. I don't know how much I use, to be honest. I didn't look, but yeah. Yeah. Not bad for old Morticia. Now if we could just get her to go over a mile an hour.
Go. Go, Dad. Yay. Bye, Gunner. Bye, Jack. Bye, Pam, wherever you are.
Alright, hop on in, Shy.
It's fine. Keep driving. It's okay. Keep driving.
Alright.
Oh, keep driving.
Cool,
Come on,
baby.
let's go. Let's go. We like driving in the middle of the road. Uh-oh. You're driving in the middle of the road. Uh-oh. Driving in the middle of the road. Uh-oh.
Alright, hop in. I don't want you running. Let's go, Shy. Right there, yep. Pull it.
Hey!
Hi, oh, we got our little panel open here.
Panel. You know, you stay closer.
Close it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Do you want to make chocolate fish house take an hour to us to make?
So I think, you know, if we can find a way to get the throwout bearing and the ball and trunnion sorted out, I think we'll be doing really good. And that's really our biggest hurdle right now. But I'm confident we'll be able to find it. So ball and trunnion, throwout bearing, and maybe, you know, there's a couple classic junkyards. Maybe we can leverage one of those. I don't know. Boom, baby.
Boom, chicka-lacka, chicka-wacka.
Boom.
Boom, chicka.
There you go. Close the door.
Let's go. Dum, 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 dum. Oh, yeah. Dum, 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 dum. Da-da-dum. Dum, 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 dum. Da-da-dum. Dum, 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 dum. Da-da-dum. Dum, 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 dum. Da-da-dum. Dum, 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 dum. under here. Old Papa was.
How are you doing, Shy?